What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. A very early morning today. I haven't been to a car meet this early in a very long time. But we're gonna hit this little Cars and Coffee today. We got the homie Gustavo pulling up. I'm gonna go pick up Jordan right now. Hugo was supposed to come. You guys see the 92 right there. But he's actually asleep. He started his new job, so he gets home super late now. I think he went to sleep at like 4 in the morning. So there's no way he's gonna wake up for this car meet, which sucks. I wanted to cruise with Hugo, but whatever, next weekend maybe. And real quick, I am so sorry for the lack of content. I get so many DMs asking, where's the new video? Where's the new vlog? And I appreciate that so much because it just shows the support that I have. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'm so sorry for the lack of content. I think it's been like 11 days since my last upload, which is horrible. It's probably the worst it's ever been. So I need to make some more content. Comment down below, what kind of ideas do you guys have for new content? Because I'm kind of out of content, guys. I want to buy a new project car. But besides that, what other content would you guys like to see on the channel? I know a lot of you guys just want me to daily vlog, and I know I should just start picking up the camera more and just filming my life. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys want to see that too. Look who it is.
Hey guy.
Bro, Hugo's not coming.
He's knocked out today.
He's asleep, bro.
I'm gonna go to the gym.
That's what I told us. I thought you were gonna go to the gym afterward.
Is it dirty?
This is dirty, no? It's just dusty. Look at this shit. Look. That's the homie Jordan in the van. I don't know if you guys have seen my Instagram or not, but I started another business with the homie Jordan and the homie David. We're actually doing mobile car detailing too. So if you guys need any car washes in the Inland Empire, LA, Orange County, hit us up. We can go wash your car. Maybe I'll pull up too, shoot some content. But yeah, that's another business venture that we're up to. I feel like we haven't been to a car meet in a long time, Jordan.
I know, I feel like I haven't been to one.
Monster.
Essentials, baby.
Bro, I'm kind of bummed you couldn't come, but whatever. You should take his M3. Bro, why is this shit so expensive? It's just like regular gas now. I remember when it used to be $1.85, bro. At one point. Oh shit! Sound like Gustavo. Damn. It's dirty? My shit's so dirty too. Look at this dude. Sheesh. Can we just borrow the tank, put it in my trunk, take a picture? The gas is getting too expensive, guys. You better see a Tesla on the channel. Over your battery. This looks like kind of fat tire, right? I'll race the scat bag. What's up, homie? Alright, we made it. Look, another GTR. A big ass swing. We're actually on time too. Starts at 9, look, 9:01. Finally, we get to something on time.
What the fuck's up with this fool?
What? Ooh,
dog.
What's wrong with it? What's up, buddy? What's wrong with him?
Why's that fool looking like that?
Damn, there's a bunch of cars here. Now we just gotta find parking. I said this before in the vlog, but I love this meet because there's so many different cars. Like, look, there's old school cars, really old cars. As you guys can see, a bunch of old cars, a bunch of grandpas. And then there's like supercars too over there. Like there's a GT3. And there's a lot of dogs. Oh, those are all the supercars over there. Guys, look at this wrap on the GTR.
That's different.
It looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. We just parked right here next to this GTR. The GTR saw coming in. It looks pretty cool. Bagged. It looks like that nose tank color. Look at these things. But what are they? What the heck is this, bro? I'm telling you, this car meet, you see some crazy stuff. It's called the Goodell? I don't know. It does not look too comfy, bro. Actually, we drove that shit from our house. This GTR is so sick. It just looks crazy. I've never seen a wrap like that in my life. Sheesh. Oh my god, bro. Oh, that color is hard, dude. The clear taillights. Look, another GTR. This one's clean on TE37s. Sheesh. Looks sick. Viper. God damn. She's hard. Jordan? What is that, supercharger? Oh my god, that shit is beautiful, bro. It's so simple. So clean. Look at this Huracan, guys. There's nothing even like on it. It's just wheels and slammed. BBS wheels. It doesn't have a lip, no side skirts, no wing, nothing. It's literally all stock, just threw wheels on it. And it looks perfect. Look at the exhaust in here. All colorful. She looks sick, bro. God, I want a Huracan so bad. Mine will look pretty similar to that, I swear. Just slam it, BBS wheels. Perfect, bro. Like, look at the rear end with that wheel setup. I love the black BBSs too. Damn. Guys, look at this. 2 R34s, that's Marks. And then there's a, what is it, Millennial Jade? Is that the color? Color's sick too. Which one would you guys take, guys? This one or Mark's Midnight Purple one? It's a very hard choice, but I'm probably gonna pick the Midnight Purple one. Mark has the BBS's too. Damn, dude. This car's so sick. Yeah, guys, I need one. I think everyone needs one. These things are so sick. Look at this green carbon fiber. So crazy. This one's clean. I like the black wheels with like that color. But Mark's just looks more like stanced out. Car show-ish. Looks clean too. Hard choice. Look at this thing, guys. Midnight Purple GTR. A lot of people want me to wrap my GTR into Midnight Purple. Like a lot. Look at this rear bumper too. I really want to do this bumper, guys. It's the Nismo bumper. This guy used to be just a regular GTR. It's not a Nismo, but he just threw the bumper on. And it doesn't look that bad. Like he did the fenders. And he did the front bumper. Yeah, that shit looks hard. I would do the whole thing, but dude, like the whole body kit alone, I think costs like 10,000. And I don't want to spend 10,000 just to make mine look like a Nismo.
I like this wing.
Yeah, the wing looks pretty sick, huh? I've never seen that before. I think I'll just do the rear bumper. The rear bumper is like 2,000. Yeah, that shit looks so sick. This looks way more aggressive. Like I feel like my front end is pretty cool, but the rear is so basic. So maybe that rear bumper will be perfect. Oh my god. Look at the SVJ, guys. You guys know I love SVJs. They're literally my dream car, bro. Oh my god. Look at this, dude. It's so beautiful. These cars are perfect. This is like my ultimate dream car, guys. I want one so bad. It's GoPro. Porsches right here. GT3 RS, GT3, another GT3 RS, another GT3 RS. Yeah, this is insane, bro. Look at that with the cage in there. God damn. I'll probably take this one. I like the carbon hood and I like the cage. And there's an R8 over here. Super stock, but still really clean. This might be my next big purchase, guys, after the GTR. And then go to a Huracan after. But there's levels, you know? This thing's pretty clean too, look at it. It is? Oh, it is stick shift, bro, look at that. Look, guys, someone brought a cat. There's no way. Jordan should brought his lizard. You know Jordan had a lizard?
They got lizard.
Like, it was probably like a crocodile, bro. It was a tegu, if you guys know what that is. But Jordan had a pet lizard, bro. Bro, 720s are so crazy. It's like a real life spaceship, bro. Vents and stuff, dude. Like, this car is crazy. And the big ass wings. And 720s are hard. Another Huracan Performante. Convertible. Another Huracan Performante. Another one. There's so many. Those wheels are hard. I didn't even see this, guys. Look, it's another SVJ. A red one too. All the Aventadors in a line. The Pista. Shit's clean too. Wow, this shit is beautiful. I don't even like the color green, but that thing looks so nice on that Huracan. The new M3. They look really clean when you actually do stuff to it. This wrap is a little too crazy for me, but just all blacked out, it looks so clean. This thing's sick. Jordan wants one of these too. What do you think, Jordan? Does he get the Jordan approval? There's a crazy ass Jeep Gladiator here. And it's red, guys. the color I would want if I got one. That shit is huge, bro. He's on 40s too. Damn, what is this? Jordan's grandpa brought the car out. That shit's hard. Look at this color, guys. It's pretty similar to my E92. Almost the same color. Two Supras, Mark 4s. Damn. Which wing do you guys like better? That one or this wing? What wing do you like better? The original one? I like this one, honestly. This one's hard. I feel like Supras need a big ass fucking drag tire on it. It looks so clean with like a drag tire. Guys, what is this? I'm telling you, the things you find at this meet. It's a one-seater, bro. What is this, dude? Imagine driving this shit. Oh my god, bro, that shit's crazy. Look at the little license plate. Why is this dude driving my car, bro? You got to drop it off my house, homie? Yeah, okay. All the Aventadors, bro. Another Supra. Clean. Look at this slow ass Supra. I mean BMW. This fool doesn't even know how to park, bro.
I know, I love to park here.
Look at this, guys. F80 CS, M3 CS with BBS wheels. That's a baller right there, bro. That car's expensive. And he got the expensive ass wheels. And then my absolute favorite M4 probably. The homie got Chucks on Instagram. He had an E92 and then now he has an M4. I think it's an M4 CS. Look at all the work he has done to it, bro. It's so beautiful. Like, look at all the hardware. He changed out all the hardware. He has the CS hood, which is actually carbon fiber, believe it or not. BBS wheels. I always wanted these wheels, bro. They're so freaking sick. Look at the interior too. Sheesh. The cage. It's bagged. Oh my god, this shit is perfect. Look at this thing, guys. R32. Sheesh. They're so nice. 240. Sheesh. That shit's so nice, bro. It's so simple. Crazy wide body RX-7. It's just so nice, bro. Probably one of the nicest cars here. And a lot of people would probably choose this over a lot of cars in this parking lot. I think the only car I wouldn't take this over was the SVJ, but I might even take this over SVJ, I'm not gonna lie. This is the white SVJ. That's hard, bro.
Yeah, that's really hard, actually.
That's a hard choice.
I would honestly probably pick this over that.
That's what I'm saying. It's hard to choose. I think this is harder to come by. SVJs are everywhere. And we're just talking to Mark. He was telling us that he would only sell this car if someone gave him 800K. Like, it's not even worth selling because he just loves it so much. And it's so rare and hard to find. Oh my god. That's like Jordan's driving.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.